Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing the lapel microphone kit by Purple Panda. And let's get right to it. First we have a drawstring bag made with suede material and the lav kit inside. I'll take them out randomly as we go. Next we have the mini USB adapter. This is used for a GoPro Hero 3, Hero 3 Plus, and Hero 4. Now we have the compatibility guide. So later on I'm gonna go in detail with this and show you possible ways of recording audio using this lapel. The lapel microphone has a 1.5 meter cord attached to it. This is my first lapel microphone, so we'll find out how the audio quality sounds like when I test it out later in this video. So stay tuned for that. A 3 meter TRS extension cord is also included. Just connect it to the lav cord and you'll be good to go. Now we have the fuzzy windscreen. This filters wind noise from the environment and it helps us control our production atmosphere to maintain good audio quality. Then we have an extra gator clip included. Last and definitely not the least, the TRS to TRS adapter. I think this is the most important part of the kit. Without this I can't plug the lapel to a portable field recorder, just to mention a few, like Zoom H1N and a Zoom H4N Pro. I'm gonna show you some examples of how to set up this lapel mic with recording devices. The first setup is by using the lapel by itself with a TRS 3mm plug, and here are the different devices you can use. So for the second setup, I'll stick to using a portable recorder and show you how to hook it up to a Zoom H4N Pro. I'm glad Purple Panda included a TRS adapter in this kit. Other brands with the same price point doesn't include any, and you would have to spend extra just to get you going. For this kit, that's value for your money. Now we're gonna need the TRS adapter for this, so we can plug this into the exterior mic jack located on the back of the H4N Pro. The third setup will need the TRS adapter along with a mini USB adapter for GoPro devices. Let's move on to testing this lapel along two other basic setups. I'm going to use my camera as the main audio recorder. First, I'll be using its built-in microphone. Second, a shotgun microphone. Then the Purple Panda lapel, so you can really hear the difference. Hey guys, currently I'm using my G7 built-in microphone, and I only use it as a reference in post. So just to remind you, not all cameras have good built-in microphones. That's why I suggest using a shotgun mic or a lapel mic just to be safe, because bad audio is going to be a headache during post and you don't want that to mess up your workflow. Now let's move on to using a shotgun microphone. So right now I'm using a Rode VideoMic Go, and I know it's not the best shotgun mic out there. It was given to me as a gift and I'm pretty happy with it right now, but if I do have the budget, I will upgrade though. This is a good setup for vlogging, close range interviews, or if you're into run and gun shooting and you don't mind the audio that much. You can use that, and it's really your preference and how you want your setup to be. So right now I'm using the Purple Panda Lav mic, and I hope you guys can hear the differences between the shotgun microphone and the built-in microphone earlier. And this setup is good for mostly any format. You could do vlogging, feature films, short films, interview settings. Sky's the limit with lapel, so it's really your preference on how you want your videos to be. And there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if this video helped you out. Subscribe to my channel and keep posted for more reviews. This is Trio, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.